Hello, welcome to Sehrawat Brothers. Today, we are excited to showcase our premium quality fluted panels made on Action Tesa HDHMR boards. With our WhatsApp API account, we will be sharing all the details you need to know about our products and services directly with you. Let's dive in. Introducing our elegant and durable fluted panels, expertly crafted on high-quality Action Tesa HDHMR boards by Sehrawat Brothers. Enhance your interior spaces with these panels, available in both 12mm and 18mm thicknesses, designed to suit a range of applications. Our fluted panels are perfect for creating stunning accent walls, cabinetry, and partitions in both residential and commercial spaces. Manufactured using top-of-the-line Action Tesa HDHMR, high-density, high-moisture-resistant boards, these panels ensure exceptional durability, moisture resistance, and longevity. As a leading manufacturer of superior quality interior design products, Sehrawat Brothers brings you these exquisite fluted panels. We have a strong commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, ensuring that every fluted panel meets the highest standards of craftsmanship. Our fluted panels are available in two thickness options, 12mm and 18mm, to cater to a variety of design requirements. Choose the perfect thickness for your project, whether it's for accent walls, cabinetry, or custom furniture pieces. These fluted panels are designed for easy installation, providing a hassle-free experience for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With their moisture-resistant properties, they require minimal maintenance, making them a practical and stylish choice for any space. Upgrade your interiors with the timeless elegance of our fluted panels made on Action Tesa HDHMR boards. Don't wait, shop now and elevate your space to new heights. We provide free and secure home delivery with 100% insurance all over India. Enjoy factory pricing and the best material guarantee, as we are the proud manufacturers of these products. If you have any questions, just type your query, and our chatbot will provide complete information about the product in seconds. To enhance your shopping experience, we have integrated our WhatsApp API account at 7827678276 to handle your inquiries. Our chatbot is available 24/7 to provide you with detailed information on our products, including images, videos, and pricing. In case our chatbot can't answer your question, our dedicated customer support team at Sehrawat Brothers is ready to help. It may take some time, but we assure you that we will respond to your query. Namaskar and Jai Hind.